Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to another Shaky vlog. And welcome to Venice Beach. See waves developing. Very nice. Actually, if you look over there, you can actually see people trying to surf it. If you hear that, that's a seagull mocking me. Anyways, just a quick, otherwise just share the view, quick update. Sorry about scheduling lately. What was it, one of the everlasting summer videos, I accidentally had part 4 out before part 3. So as soon as this video gets uploaded, I'll be releasing part 4 again. Otherwise, there's a wave coming. There it's cresting. It's just so cool. Again, I grew up in the desert, so this is quite fascinating to me. Yeah, I'm actually at the pier. See the guys fishing down there. Actually, if I hop over to this other side, people don't think I'm crazy talking to myself. There's another wave forming. There's some more surfers. Very cool. Anyways, as well as some interesting rock features. What was I saying? Oh yeah, sorry about the schedule. I'll be getting home about 5 hours from now, as soon as I walk back to my truck. And actually, sorry I haven't been doing a lot more of these from off the road. Work has been slow. Starting to pick up again, which is good. Otherwise, yeah, like I said, I don't know if I edit any videos tomorrow other than my last honey bop video, so we'll see. Otherwise, I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy the view. I'll end the video here, but you'll keep watching. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.